Let's install the first step. First, this frame is folded. Let's unfold this frame. First, fix this frame to it first. How to install this? You see, isn't there one of this? Do you have this quick release stick? It just sticks out. Break this up and up so he's not in. Then the frame is buckled in and then released. It's stuck. Then loosen it first. Go through here from above after passing through. Tighten it hard. Just turn it like this. Just tighten it like this and buckle it down. Let's take a look. There is green back. Here is the screw pack with these parts. Then pull this out. There is an instruction manual in it. Foot, pedal seat to bend front brake lines. This is a screw pack. This U-shaped one is a front frame bracket. Front frame bracket. This is a screwdriver. And then there's another one. It's wrapped in a black sponge pad. Is this the fender for the rear wheel? And let's install this rear wheel fender. Now rip this off. First, the bracket has been installed, and now look at the shells. This fender is divided into left and right. Look at the two round holes on your board. The load wall. Two round holes. This is the tail. Is this the back? The round hole is at the back. Look at the screws on both sides. Unscrew this screw directly. Use this wrench for this screw. Got a wrench or a screwdriver, just twist it. Remove this screw first, then put this baffle. Don't you think there is a bracket here? Align this bracket with this hole and put it on. Then just pass the screw directly through it. After the screw hole is passed through, screw on the screw cap directly. Then use this screwdriver. Just tighten it. So now the fenders are finished. Take two in this screw back. This taillight. This is the giveaway decoration we gave away. Now you can screw this taillight on it. First, unscrew this screw cap. Put it directly into this. Just put it here and tighten it. Then let's put this rear wheel. Now turn the frame over. First, turn the shelf over. Look, there are two black plastic bags under here. This is useless. This is what we use for packing. Unplug it sometimes during transportation. This screw cap, it will fall off with the lid on. If it falls off, it will get stuck here. Look for the screw cap in this lid. That's it. If you pull it out, it falls off. And now look at the rear wheel. This is divided into left and right. This one has bearings. Take a look. And then another wheel. This one has no bearings. It's a square. And the other side is a circle. This is different. Left and right. Then let's install this one without bearings first. This wheel. Remove this screw cap and this gasket. This wheel is square. The square hole faces in. Square hole installed inward. Square it in. Then take a look at this position. There as a square slot on this shaft. They need to get stuck. Align and push in. Also stuck. Then let's put this gasket on a screw this screw cap again. When this screw cap is screwed, align this thread with it. Then use a wrench when screwing this screw cap. Grab this wheel with one hand. Grab the wheel. Don't let this axis move with it, otherwise it won't hurt. Grab the ruler with your right hand. Then use a wrench. Use the wrench to tighten it like this. This wheel, just tighten it hard. That's it. Then we put another wheel. This wheel has bearings on both sides, left and right. Just install it directly on top. Also screw cap gasket. This gasket can be installed or not. It doesn't affect it. We're going to put this wheel right on top of it. Sometimes it's tighter because this bearing The no bearing is tighter. If you can't get in knock from the outside in, knock can go in, knock it in hard this location, snap it in place, then put a gasket, screw on a screw cap on. When this is fixed, grab the other wheel. 2. Hold the other wheel with one hand, then use a wrench to cut this screw cap hard. This will be careful not to tighten the screw cap too tightly, because this wheel is separate. It's a living wheel. If you screw it too tightly, it will sink when you ride it. Turn the wheel after screwing it moves by itself. Don't follow this axis, just move with the other wheel. Now install this front fork. There are 2 black protective covers up and down. This is useless. Use a wrench to push this in hard, then pry this so it's down. Use a wrench to push it in and it will come down and in. Now put this part on it. Take it off. Is there a screw cap on it? This is a steel pipe. Here's a steel pipe. These 2 steel pipes, then this screw is screwed off with force. Oh, this ball here, a ball inside. Is there a bit in it? Take this bit out first, then divide these 2 balls. There is one a little taller, one is a little lower. Is this a higher one to fit the bottom? This is a lower one and installed on it. The tube is tighter. This is a video. This is before the sample car already smashed, so this one will be tighter when this ball is installed. Do you need a wrench or a hammer? Hit down hard, just smash it in hard. This ball won't break. This thing you have to knock hard like this. And now take a bit and put it on it. This bit is facing down. Put it in first, get another bit and go through here. This bit is facing up. Take a look. Bits are placed upright and flat. Is it ready? Now take this front fork out of the frame. Pass it through the frame from the bottom up. The bits must be placed flat. Don't slant this. This goes straight through. Pay attention when putting it away. This has to go flat. It fits right inside this steel ball. If you put it diagonally, it is easy to squeeze and deform. That's it. Put it down and that's it. Okay. Now take this biggest one. This gas. This circle faces up. Twist it up. Is that all there is to it? Then we put this screw in. Just tighten it hard by hand. Take this small bracket in the screw back. Here's one. Here's one. This prominent point. Just put it down. Just screw this screw cap. This screw cap does not need to be screwed with a tool. Tighten it by hand. If you tighten it by hand, it won't work. Can twist it by hand. That's it. You don't need a wrench, so you can now install the handlebars. Here is this black one, a protective case. This is useless. First of all, Panasonic, loosen this screw. Loosen this screw a little bit. Hit this. That's it. Let it go like this. Hold your hand, put it in and adjust it to the appropriate height. Then lock this screw to it. Put this handlebar adjust to this suitable position. Then cut the screw below. This handlebars should be centered. Cut this screw below. Fix the brake handle first. Use this hex wrench. One and is thin. Tighten this screw and fix it. Fix the brake handle to it first. And now let's install this brake cable. Take this short one in the back. This is the front brake cable. The front brake is normally installed on the right side. If you want to install the left side, this is also okay. It can be installed on the left and right. Now hold this brake handle well. Pinch the brake handle first. There's a round hole inside. Shove it in from here. I'm going to tuck this right in here. Then let's brake from here. There is a gap on this side. There is a gap. Come through this gap. Then this plastic one. Look at how it Works, let it go through A. Then twist it over again. In this case, the brake plate is installed. Tuck this black tubing, then let's put it down now from here. Pass through and wear down, then go through this hole down. Okay. Let's use this wrench now. Loosen this screw cap. First, there is a screw cap in this position. Please loosen it. Look at the hole in the screw. Look at this position. The screw has a hole. This thread goes through this hole. Here, pass it through or come through, then pinch this to break. Pass, take a look and pinch this to break. Pass, hold it like this. Let's tighten this thread. Put this screw cap on. When you tighten it, tighten it hard and fix it all. So our front brakes are installed. The other is this brake skin. Take a look at this screw cap and loosen it. Then turn this brake skin sideways both sides. Fix it horizontally like this. That's it. It won't stand. Stand him up. He rubs the tires. The brake skin is off. And look at this location. If your brake doesn't bounce back, take a look at the innermost one inside the pan. This screw at the innermost part of this position. Loosen this screw and the brake will bounce back. Now install the rear brakes. Let's turn this car on. Its side first. Loosen this screw first. To loosen this screw, you need to loosen it first, and then this brake line turns, and now let's install the front here. This brake light on the frame. Plug this light from the front frame into this position here. Put it on. Wire it from here. Then let's pinch this brake handle. Now pull this head out a little bit. It goes in here, and then from this you see that there is a seam on the side. Go through this gap. Turn this aluminum head. Round it. Just face through. Then twist it over again. Twist it again. Now take this black wire tube. Tuck it in here. Then tighten the front one. Tuck in. Then put it in the back. Now it's already installed here. Now let's put this back. Then put this line. Look, didn't this screw come loose just now? There is a hole in this screw. The brake cable is through this screw hole. Pass it through the hole, and now this yellow iron sheet looks like this. Pinch it forward. Hard pinch it tightest and don't let go. Press the screw that is fixed with this screw in. Because this screw is square, isn't it round? Need to turn it. Click in. Press the screw in. Then let's tighten this screw. Tighten this screw hard. This way the brakes will work. If it doesn't work, well, adjust the previous fine-tuning. Loosen this screw forward. Turn this screw to front. Unscrewing. Go ahead and loosen it up. Then put this screw cap. Screw the screw cap back on. This screw cap must be screwed back. It tightens there. Our brakes. Take a look at this location. Sometimes this brake disc is not tightened. I can't do it either. This needs. If this is loose, if there is a screw pattern, let's turn this hard. Just tighten this plate. Now install this front frame. Put these two screws on the shock absorber bracket. First, unscrew it. Is this screw used to fix the car frame bracket? And then we put the bracket in this position. Then screw this screw on it. My coil just scale it down. Now take a look. Isn't this bracket fixed? Can you break this up? The position can be adjusted. Then let's put the frame on. After putting it on, take this see-through bag from that screw bag. There are 3 iron sheets here. Open it and let's take a look. 3 iron pieces. Here are 6 screws. 2 screw caps. Are these 2 screw caps? Then take these 2 iron pieces. First, square one with a groove. Put this square one on top of this car frame. Put it in this middle position and then look at this grooved one. Let's look down. This one has a groove, just put it in the middle like this, from bottom to top. It fits exactly in this position. Then we hold this position and let's go up. After aligning the upper one with this whole position, take a look at this. Screw is in here, inside this iron sheet. It has silk buttons, just screw it directly. Oh, this is screwed directly. It doesn't use a screw cap, and this side, the bottom is aligned with this silk buckle. Let's tighten this, just tighten it with the screwdriver. Then let's install this iron sheet on it. Take a look at this iron sheet and put it in this position. Align with these two holes. Pass this screw directly through this hole. Then these two screw caps, just use this position these two screw caps. Let's take a look. There's a layer of blue plastic on the outside. This screw cap is a non-slip screw. It is different from this ordinary screw. This screw won't fall off, but we need to tighten it. This is what you see with this screwdriver. Hold this screw with a screwdriver. Take a look. Hold the screw, just keep screwing it. Now install this saddle. Put the zig end of the seat to be here. First, adjust the height, then tighten this screw cap with force with a wrench. Twist this wrench hard until it can be screwed, and now we're going to put this saddle in here. After putting it in, take a look at this high and low angle. This can be adjusted. Adjust it. After adjustment, take a look at the two black screws below. It's on the right side of the car. Is the screw on the right screwed down? Go down and go back. Down and back in this direction. Screw it hard. This screw must be tightened hard one by one. Tighten with a wrench until it can be screwed. Make sure to tighten it and look to the right. Right is forward, forward, upward. Yeah, screw it hard in the forward direction. This screw must be tightened with a wrench until it can be screwed. In that case, our seat is fixed. Now install this pedal. Take a look at this pedal. This side threaded side, here's a letter. This is L. This is or L is left, R is right. Let's install this. First, install this little cage on the left. Make sure to align with this thread. Then twist it forward. The one on the left is the anti-filament. Screw it in the opposite direction, which is the direction of screwing it forward and forward. Just keep screwing it. After screwing it on by hand, first then use this wrench. Use a wrench like this. Give it a squeeze, just tighten it. And now install this one on the right. The one on the right is also screwed in the forward direction. Is it also screwed forward? Screw hard forward. After screwing it on, then cut it with a wrench. That's it. Then install this back box. Now, this is left and right, positive and negative. You can just put it in there. Just put it in from the back here. Take this long screw in the screw cap. Let's take a look. The longest screw is installed on the rear seat. Then this long screw is installed on the back frame. One screw is matched with one of the largest round gaskets. Where it in, then align this hole from the frame here. Screw this screw cap. Just tighten this screw cap from the bottom. Then there is also a screw with this round one. This gasket, where it through here, direct screw cap. Cut this screw cap from below. Find a wrench at the end. Just cut the screws again. Now install the rear seat. What about our seat? Just put it directly on this frame, and then take this seat plate and lift this up. After lifting it, let's check this screw hole. Then take the longest screw. The longest screw has this small gasket. This outfit is okay. 2. You cannot install it. Does this affect it? Land hole like this, it goes straight down here. After wearing it from the bottom, just tighten this screw cap, a total of 6 screw holes. Just install it like this. Take another look at the screw pack. There are 6 such squares in it. This plug, this is an ornament. There are 2 small ones, 2 big ones. The 2 small ones are stuffed into this position. Tuck it in. Here is behind this seat in the back. If it's not easy to plug, find a tool to smash in. Just smash it in, then put the big one under this seat. There are 2 square holes under the car. That's it.